Hey everyone, welcome to VegWorks. Before I begin today's video, I'd first like to thank all my subscribers for your constant support. Keep supporting. Thank you so much. And to those who are watching my video for the first time, if you like what you see, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification as and when I upload the video. Now I'm very excited about today's video because this recipe was sent to us by Prema all the way from Nairobi. Thank you so much, Prema, from Team VegWorks. Today we are making paneer kebab. It's a very healthy recipe because paneer is a good source of protein for vegetarians, and it also has gram flour, which has got a very high protein content. Then we would require some onions and coriander leaves, some chillies and some other spices which we can see as we go along. So let's get started. First we have to roast the gram flour. So let's do that. So I've heated up a pan, and to that I'm adding 1 cup of gram flour. We'll roast this until it gets a bit aromatic. The gram flour has turned aromatic. We'll just add in some ginger garlic, now we'll switch this off. To this we can add some chilli powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, some garam masala. Into the grated paneer, we'll add in the gram flour mixture with all the spices. We'll add in 1 chopped onion, some green chillies, chopped coriander leaves, some salt according to your taste. We'll give this a good mix. As we knead, the paneer will become softer, and then we'll be able to shape them into kebabs. Once the mixture comes together, we'll add in 2 teaspoons of corn flour to hold it together. The paneer mixture is ready. We'll now shape them into kebabs. You can give it any shape you want. We shape them like this. The paneer kebabs have been shaped up. Now let's shallow fry them. We'll drop in the kebabs one by one. We'll fry it on medium to low heat. These kebabs are very healthy. Firstly, because it's made with paneer. Secondly, it's got gram flour, which is loaded with health benefits. Thirdly, we are frying it with very little oil. They get extra crisp because of the cornflour added. The paneer kebabs are done. They are ready to be plated.